It's been hard not going to bed without you holding me steady. It's the wind blowing my curtains. It's the sea holding me hostage. I can't breathe. No, I can't see. But if I fall tonight, would you be the one to find me? It's my arms trying to hold you. It's my will moving you slowly, wrapped in thoughts under the curtains. I'm going all you desire. I can't breathe. No, I can't see. But if I fall tonight, I'm floating on the ground, a broken fire. No sympathy you'll ever see. My eyes unscathed will never be the tragedy you filled when she raised your corpse a filthy plea. I decompose, my sides revolt, a chilling wave, we break the vault, undressed in wine, a tender hue, still in me, she's haunting you. I fixed her good, you broke or found, the thinning hair is bloody now. We gripped and spoke, a broken jaw, her tender legs released and raw. My insides black, my hands all blue. I felt her spine, the morning dew. Strewn in lies, you broke a vow, the sympathy to know things now. It's been hard not going to bed without you.